One evening late I chanced to stray down by a shady grove. I little thought I would be caught all in the snares of love. Returning to my dwelling place, a charming maid I spied. She's a blooming flower of Erin's Isle, down by Loch Erne side. I stood a moment to condole, not knowing what to do, how to address this fair young maid appearing in my view. Said I, my pretty fair maid, will you consent to be my bride, and we'll sail unto America and leave Loch Erne side. If you're a snare of evil that has come for to destroy, may virgins bloom in the afternoon, I pray you pass me by. For I've no land or property, but God to be my guide, and a servant's maid will I remain down by Loch Erne side. If you are poor, do not endure to live in poverty, for I have money plentiful to serve both you and me. And while I have 1 shilling, love, with you I will divide, and will sail unto America and leave Loch Erne side. Now to conclude and finish, and to let the people see, she's mistress of my heart today, with all my property. She has servants too at her command, with her daily work supplied. She may bless the day she chanced to stray down by Loch Erne side.